Now, while many farmers are preparing for a new season of sowing and tilling, hundreds of farmers have profited in lakhs from a recent harvest. With their crops fetching more than double the rates this year, arecanut farmers in Karnataka couldn't have been happier.
Chennagiri in Davangere is home to hundreds of farmers whose first crop of choice is arecanut. It is widely cultivated on the 45,000 hectares of farmland here. Though profits have been moderate these past few years, it has touched sky high this time. Almost all farmers have made a profit in lakhs and they have the government to thank.
ಅಡಿಕೆ ರೇಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಬರೋಂಥ ಅಡಿಕೆಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನವರು. ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋದ್ರಿಂದನೇ ಇದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೋಭಾವನೆ. ಈ ರೈತರುಗಳೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟು ಮುಂದೇನೋ ರೈತರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ.
Davangere is the first place arecanut traders turn to during the harvest season. It is not just farmers but also the two major cooperative societies in Chennagiri which have benefited from the bumper sales this year. The godowns are stacked with hundreds of sacks of harvest, which is fetching the farmers more than twice the rates they received last year.
ಹೋದ ವರ್ಷ ಇದೇ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡಿಕೆ 20,000 ರೇಂಜಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೇಟು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೈತರುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕಂತ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ರು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ಕಂತ ಬಂದರು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ರೇಟು ಎಂದು ಯಾರೂ ನೋಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು 50 ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅಡಿಕೆ. ಸೊ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ 20-23 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ 10 ವರ್ಷದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾತ್ರ 50 ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
While the rate last year was around 21,000 rupees per quintal, this year it has crossed 50,000 rupees. Many are getting well over 56,000 rupees for each quintal of arecanut. It looks like the rampant arecanut sales this year have profited not just the farmers but alcohol outlets as well, because many across the district are celebrating the rich harvest by drinking. The alcohol outlets are making a huge profit this year. While arecanut sales spelt good news for many, it brought bad luck for some. The cops have recently arrested a gang which reportedly attacked farmers who were returning home with lakhs of rupees in cash. These people you see here threatened a farmer with deadly weapons and made away with 50 lakh rupees in cash, but they clearly didn't make it too far. Though Chennagiri is the second largest producer of arecanut in the state after Kaduru of Chikmagaluru, a profit like this is a first for the district in years. But according to the ones for whom farming has been more of an inheritance than just a profession, they have stated that though the rates this year have brought huge profits, it is nowhere close to bringing them peace.
ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಿಗೆ ಇದೇ ರೇಟು ನಮಗೆ ಇದು 1 ವರ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಳೆ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4ರಿಂದ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಈ ರೇಟ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ರೈತರು ಸಾಲ ಮುಕ್ತರಾಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ತುಂಬ ರೈತರು ಸಾಲಗಾರರೇ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ 50,000 ಸಿಕ್ತು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ರೈತರು ತಲೆ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4ರಿಂದ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಈ ರೇಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು.
Many farmers have taken loans and some are even burdened with the ones taken by their parents. They have stated that rates like these need to continue for at least 5 more years for them to finally have peace of mind. But it is not just the land of arecanut that has profited from the harvest this year. While the arecanut farmers in Chennagiri have received over 50,000 rupees for each quintal, in Karwar it is more than a whopping 62,000 rupees.
ಕೆಂಪಡಿಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಧಾರಣ 60,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಷ್ಟು ಈ ದಾಖಲೆ ದರವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಚಾರ್ಜು ಕೂಡ 15-14,000 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಈಗ 34,000 ದಾಟಿ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಈವರೆಗಿನ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ.
Until last month, each quintal of arecanut fetched an average of 27,000 rupees, but now it is being sold upward of 62,000 rupees. The harvest this year calls for loud celebrations for farmers because a majority faced severe losses last year due to various reasons like crop diseases and a huge drop in rates. The rates have been on a steep rise this past week. Each day, arecanut rates have been increasing by about 5,000 rupees. But in this case too, the farmers' profits have been marred with rumors of middlemen making a bigger profit. Either way, it looks like all their losses have been compensated with more than double the rates this year. For several farmers, this is the first time they are seeing such high rates in their lifetime. Well, the arecanut harvest has definitely brought smiles on the faces of many. With Sandeep Sagar in Karwar, Basavaraj Doddamani in Davangere for News 9.
Now, crabs become the favorite food of the residents of Kodagu during the monsoons. The streets of Kodagu are teeming with traders selling crabs.
The hills of Kodagu are receiving heavy rainfall. The markets, however, are teeming with traders who are selling something rare for the people. Freshwater crabs are being sold in every street of the hill district. The people of the district have crab meat in the monsoon season to keep themselves warm. The market is a sight to behold. The crabs are tied in groups of 200 and sold. The crabs are caught by inducing it to take a bite at a slice of meat tied to a thread. In the market, there are more people buying crabs than any other meat. The residents believe that the meat helps them in increasing the body's immunity.
ಮಳೆಗಾಲದ ವಿಶೇಷ ಖಾದ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆಗಾಲ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿಗೋದು ಇದು ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಉತ್ತಮ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಗಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋದು ಅಪರೂಪ, ಹೊರಗಿನಿಂದ ತರ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ.
This switch in the dietary habits of the people of Kodagu during the monsoons has made the crab trade a thriving business in the district. The traders are indeed happy that their hard work in capturing the crabs is paid off by the huge rush in the market. Manjunath KN, News 9, Madikeri.